Thinking about snagging a premium 14-inch laptop in 2025? You've probably got your eye on the ASUS Zenbook S14 and the HP Envy X360 14, two fantastic options, but which one's the right fit for you? In this video, I'm diving deep into their design, performance, battery life, and more to help you decide. Stick around till the end because by the time we're done, you'll know exactly which laptop comes out on top. Oh, and don't forget to check the description for the latest prices and deals. I've got you covered there. If this video helps you out, give it a thumbs up. It means a lot and helps me keep making these for you. Let's get into it. The ASUS Zenbook S14 and HP Envy X360 14 both feel like premium devices, but they each have their own unique vibe when it comes to design and build quality. The Zenbook S14 is all about sleek minimalism with its ceraluminum finish, a blend of ceramic and aluminum that gives it a modern, high-end look. At first glance, though, the surface might come off as a bit plasticky, which is a small letdown for something that's supposed to feel ultra-premium. Still, the nearly bezel-less 14-inch OLED display is stunning, and the whole package feels refined and contemporary. It's also incredibly light at just 2.65 lbs, yet it doesn't sacrifice sturdiness. There's hardly any flex in the keyboard deck, which makes it feel durable and well-built. On the flip side, the HP Envy X360 14 takes a more versatile approach with its convertible design. It's a mix of aluminum and plastic, with the lid and keyboard deck feeling solid and premium, while the plastic bottom keeps it lightweight. It's a bit thicker and heavier than the Zenbook at 0.67 inches and 3.08 lbs, but it's still portable and feels durable. The real standout here is its flexibility. It easily transforms from a laptop to a tablet or tent mode, making it a great choice for someone who wants a device that can adapt to different tasks. When it comes to ports, both laptops have you covered, but they take slightly different approaches. The Zenbook S14 leans into a more modern setup with two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, one USB-A, HDMI 2.1, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. It's clearly future-proofed, especially with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 support. The Envy X360 14, meanwhile, offers a bit more practicality for everyday use. It has a USB-A port, a full-size HDMI port, two USB-C ports, one with Thunderbolt 4, and a 3.5mm audio jack. The inclusion of a full-size HDMI port is a nice touch, especially if you're someone who frequently connects to external displays and doesn't want to fuss with adapters. When it comes to displays, both really shine literally. The Zenbook S14's 14-inch 3K OLED touchscreen is a visual treat with deep blacks, vibrant colors, and a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate that makes everything from work documents to movies look stunning. It's HDR supported, so you get that extra pop in contrast, and even though OLED screens can be power-hungry, the Zenbook manages to keep things efficient thanks to Intel's Core Ultra chips. On the other hand, the Envy X360 14 also sports a gorgeous 14-inch OLED display with the same 120Hz refresh rate and a 16:10 aspect ratio, which gives you a bit more vertical space, great for scrolling through documents or web pages. It's sharp and colorful, though it's not quite as bright as the Zenbook in real-world use, topping out around 358 nits compared to its 500 nit peak. The glossy finish on the Envy's screen looks sleek, but it can be a fingerprint magnet and might cause some glare in bright lighting. Still, both screens are fantastic, so it really comes down to whether you prioritize brightness or that extra vertical space. For cameras, the Zenbook S14 packs a solid 1080p HD webcam that delivers clear, sharp video for your Zoom calls or virtual meetings. It works well in decent lighting and even holds up in moderately dim rooms. Plus, it supports Windows Hello, so you can log in with just a glance. The Envy X360 14 steps it up with a 5-megapixels IR webcam, which also supports Windows Hello and includes a handy privacy shutter for when you want to block the lens. While the higher resolution sounds impressive, it doesn't always translate to a noticeably better image, especially in low-light conditions where it can struggle a bit. Both cameras are more than capable, but the Zenbook's 1080p cam might be all you really need. Typing and navigating on these laptops is where you'll notice some clear differences. The Zenbook S14's keyboard is compact, which means the keys are a bit closer together and have less travel. It's not bad by any means, it's still responsive, but if you're someone who types a lot, it might feel a little cramped or less satisfying over long sessions. The touchpad is also on the smaller side due to the laptop's slim design, though it's accurate and smooth. The Envy X360 14, on the other hand, has a more spacious keyboard with well-spaced keys and a comfortable tactile feel that makes typing a joy, even during marathon work sessions. Its touchpad is larger and just as responsive, making it a better choice if you value comfort and precision. Battery life is where the Zenbook S14 really pulls ahead. It's a beast in this department, lasting an incredible 21 hours on a single charge. That's almost unheard of for an ultra-portable laptop, and it means you can easily get through a full day of work or binge-watch your favorite shows without worrying about plugging in. The Envy X360 14 is no slouch either, offering a respectable 15 hours and 24 minutes of battery life, but it's not quite in the same league as the Zenbook. Both laptops are great for all-day use, but if you're constantly on the go, the Zenbook's marathon battery life might just win you over. When it comes to raw processing power, both show their differences pretty clearly. The Zenbook S14 is powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7 258V, part of Intel's latest Ultra series, which is built to handle more demanding tasks with ease. It's a multitasking beast, making it a great fit for things like video editing, heavy software applications, or anything that requires serious computational muscle. On the other hand, the Envy X360 14 runs on the Intel Core Ultra 7 155U, which is more focused on power efficiency. While it's no slouch for everyday tasks, it doesn't quite match the Zenbook's performance when it comes to heavy workloads. If you're someone who regularly pushes your laptop with resource-intensive apps, the Zenbook's extra power will definitely give you a smoother experience. For content creators, the Zenbook S14 has another edge. It comes with 32GB of LPDDR5X RAM, compared to the Envy X360 14's 16GB. That extra memory makes a big difference when you're working on complex projects like video editing or graphic design. The Zenbook can handle multiple layers, high-resolution files, and demanding software without breaking a sweat, while the Envy X360 might start to lag under the same pressure. It's still fine for lighter editing tasks, but if you're a professional or someone who regularly tackles big projects, the Zenbook's superior RAM and processing power make it the better choice. Now, let's talk gaming. Though neither of these laptops is really built to be a gaming machine, the Zenbook S14 has Intel Arc integrated graphics, which are a step up from the Envy X360's standard Intel integrated graphics. This means the Zenbook can handle casual gaming and lighter titles pretty well, while the Envy X360 is better suited for very basic gaming or older games with lower graphical demands. If you're someone who occasionally plays games like indie titles or older AAA games, the Zenbook will give you a better experience. But if you're serious about gaming, you'll probably want to look at laptops with dedicated graphics cards instead. So, which one wins? For ultimate portability, power, and battery life, the ASUS Zenbook S14 takes the crown. Its sleek design and incredible endurance are hard to beat. However, if versatility is key, the HP Envy X360 14's 2-in-1 design offers great flexibility. Choose the Zenbook for performance and the Envy for adaptability.